If you're running a multi-needle embroidery machine, you already know that your spool setup and color placement are everything. Today I'm loading up a fresh set of neutrals right on the end of my rack, which makes it super easy to track my thread paths and manage my color changes for this upcoming project. The thread I'm testing out is this Richword Polyester Embroidery Thread set, specifically their neutrals and nude tones collection. Whenever you're trying out a new brand, you want to inspect the cones closely before you thread them through your tension bars. I always do a quick quality check to look for any uneven winding, loose strands, or inconsistencies that might cause thread breaks. Thankfully, these spools look incredibly clean and smooth. This particular kit comes with 4 massive 4,000 meter cones. I love that the color codes are clearly marked on top, and this pack comes with really nice shades. They have a gorgeous, subtle sheen to them that looks premium and high-end, which is exactly what you want for your apparel designs. So let's see how it actually behaves under high-speed tension. I threaded it up, and it's pulling beautifully through the machine. There's no snapping, no shredding, and zero bird nesting underneath. It lays down incredibly flat, and the coverage on these satin stitches is dense, crisp, and completely consistent. And here's the final result on my Faith Over Fear t-shirt. If you've been hesitant about trying a new thread brand on your multi-needle, this Richword neutral set is highly reliable, budget friendly, and definitely passes the test.